Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2011 Subaru Impreza WRX with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below, what do you think about this Impreza? Also, don't forget to smash that bell. That'll get you notifications about our walkarounds as they're made. We do this to be transparent, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those photos and everything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. Very end of the video, you'll be able to hear the exhaust note and the engine running on the Subaru. So let's go ahead and start the walk around. Okay, we are walking around the WRX. As you can see, there's great tread on the tires. There are a few chips here on the front fender. A few here, very minor. When you back up, you can't see them. When you get close, you can. Remember, this has 143,000 miles and 12 years under its belt. So, that being said, this is in well above average condition for those miles and years. There's one tiny ding right here, which you can barely see. Again, very hard to see. And then, as you can see, the roof is in good shape. There are a couple of these sap marks. Won't come out. As I said, all this is very minor, especially for a 143,000 mile car. Let's look at the interior. All right, we're going to show you what doesn't show up in our photos, which is this side of the visors and the headliner, and of course the top of the dash, all in well above average condition. If you have any questions about the inside or outside condition, or maybe some shipping questions or financing options, call Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Remember to stay tuned for the exhaust note and engine running, and we hope to see you next time for our next walkthrough.